Hello, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for a Bluetooth stereo speakers with alarm clock? Here is a new product from JBL that might fit your bill. Comes in a unique cube design and new hearing technology. The V9 mini wireless Bluetooth speakers offer great sound quality and features a lot of functions. Let's take a hand-on review of it. Welcome back. So let's talk about the package contents. The V9 mini speaker comes in a retailed white box that is printed with a product picture. Inside the package you can find the V9 mini speaker, an audio cable, a power cable and a manual in Chinese and English. So let's talk about design. The V9 mini Bluetooth speakers looks like a cube with 4 curved edges. It measures a size of 80 into 80 into 64 mm and has a weight of 381 grams. The V9 mini speaker is made of metal and has elegant finish. The front panel of the speaker is unique LCD screen which features a mirror treatment in the surface. Thus, in addition to showing the time, it can be used as a mirror. On the top panel there are some of the buttons for controlling the speakers, including the power on and off button, volume control button and forward and backward button. The speaker grill is located on the rear panel of the V9 mini that looks like a heart shape. Above the speaker grill there is a TF car slot, a USB charging ports, 5V, 5 volts, a aux port and a reset hole. There are 4 color options available at the moment, including black, golden, rose gold and silver. The one reviewed here is the golden version. You can see images on the screen. And let's talk about the functions and the features of this amazing Bluetooth speaker. The V9 mini Bluetooth speakers uses a magnetic drive to create a more solid bass effect. Besides, its special seismic design eliminates the external forces generated by low frequency vibrations. Combined with the low distortion circuit design, it can spread to a range of more than 150 square meters to achieve a great 3-dimensional auditory experience. It is designed to accommodate 4 kinds of auditory technology, including dynamic loudness control, virtual tone roar, dynamic range control and low distortion circuit. It can be also used as an alarm clock and preset 2 alarm clock in advance thanks to its double alarm clock design. Just put your favorite song in the TF card and set it as the first song. It can be set as the alarm tone. Let's talk about the battery. The V9 mini alarm clock is powered by a built-in battery of 18 mAh capacity and it can keep playing song for 8 hours with a charge of 2 hours. If only for clock use, it supports standby of 2 for hours, which is just amazing. Charging is really easily to achieve via connecting the USB cable to laptop or any kind of power bank. If you are searching for its sound performance, and here is a video, must watch that. And here the review comes to an end. The V9 mini Bluetooth speaker is now available for 4 colors option on GearBest at a price of $19.99 with free shipping. If you are interested in it, just visit the product page and put it into your cart. The product link is just in description, and if you were looking for the perfect speakers and the Bluetooth stereo speakers, you are the right place. Just click on the link in description and bam, you're in. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, if you like my review, please like this video and subscribe our channel and comment how you like this speaker. Thank you. Take care till the next video.